Meaning of decency.
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 Decency. Decency refers to the quality of being morally and socially acceptable. It encompasses behavior and attitude that is considerate, honest, fair, and respectful towards others. Decency involves treating others with kindness, empathy, and compassion, and avoiding behavior that could cause harm or discomfort. A decent person is someone who upholds high ethical standards, acts with integrity, and demonstrates a sense of responsibility towards their community and society as a whole. In short, decency is the foundation of human dignity and a cornerstone of a civilized society.